You should read, no Rob, you didn't mention to me before, you should read the story of Nimrod Des as it relates to Christmas. People don't really understand what they are celebrating. Well, the important is respect each other's opinion and belief. That's the important. Okay, I will start now. But before that, I need to put Ninja on my live stream. Bro, Brother Beverly Nueva, thank you so much. M. Hassan Pasha, thank you. Good evening, bro. So I will start again here. Tapusin ko na to, guys. Wala na rin talagang pag-asa. Bigyan lang ako nasa work niya. Sige lang, bro. Thank you. Thank you sa pabijim dyan. Work lang tayo. Letter is 24. So guys, I think kailangan ko na tong i-stop kasi as in wala na talaga. Wala na akong magagawang paraan dito. Wala na ring letter S pala. Oh. Wala, no more beads. But there's a lot of there's a lot of space pa to to put some beads. Oh my God. So, wala. Ipang-aano ko na lang to. Ipang-live stream ko na lang mamaya to. I have no choice but to give up this one. Okay, let's change the canvas. This one. This is a small canvas, 20 by 20 only. And hindi ko pa this one.